Hello guys, so in this video we'll be looking at the introductory part of our apps. That is the app we are going to be using for our graphic design course. But the main app we are going to be using for this course is Canva. Canva is the name of the app. So I'm going to be explaining it with other apps too. Part of them is part of the app again we are going to be using is Pixel app, but that I'll be explaining it later. It's not in this video. So the app I'm going to be explaining together with Canva is the background remover app. The name is remove.bg. You can get it on Play Store. Just search for remove.bg. This is the logo. You can see it, remove.bg. So let's go. Open the app. So we'll upload our image now. Click on upload. That is the image you want to remove the background. Use any of your gallery. So let me get a picture. And please, if you are using this app, your image size will not be more than 12 MB. If it's more than 12 MB, it's not going to work. So take note of that, please. Another thing, if the network is not strong, also it's not going to load your picture. So make sure you have a strong network. I think that is what is happening here. Upload your image. So you make sure you have a very strong network. So let me use one of my pictures. Let me use one of my pictures. So the picture is uploading. So if your image size is more than 12 MB, it's not going to work. And make sure you have a strong network. It works with data. It does not eat data, but your data has to be on for it to load. So wait for it to upload our pictures. So our image is still uploading. Once you just click on upload, no need to touch anything. Once you upload, the background is going to remove by itself. Your own is just to download once the picture is ready. So the picture is not yet ready. So wait for it to get ready. So this is our picture now. The background is off. This is the original here. Let's click. Can you see the original background? And this is the removed background picture. So the next thing you're going to do is just to click on download and to download straight to your gallery. To download straight and direct to your gallery. And see, it has been downloaded in your gallery now. That's your gallery. You can open it if you want to open it. Okay, let's open it. Use our gallery. Can you see? It's without background now. So that is that about removing background of the picture. So even with this, you can also make money. Someone can just ask you to help he or she remove background. You just use the app, remove background, and change the background. I'm going to be showing you how to change background also. So just stay tuned. So the next app we're going to be using for this graphic design course is called Canva. You can see it on Play Store. Just search for Canva. Can you see this is the logo? So you don't go and download the wrong thing. So this is the Canva. Let's open it. So I'm going to be introducing it to you and everything you need to know about the app. The app also uses data. Yeah, it also uses data. It's very easy to use if you understand the concept and you have a coach or a mentor that will put you through. But if you don't know anything or don't have anybody that will put you through, you will lost in the app. You will lost. That's just the truth. You lost. You get lost. So wait for it to load. Now this is what it will look like once it's done loading. And the reason why I like this app is that it has multiple use. You can use to create video, presentation, flyers, business card, and all sorts of designs. And again, it has different templates. In case you don't know, you don't have idea on what you want to create, you can just pick any of the templates, pick and edit, But in this course, most of the things we are going to be doing is from scratch, so that you understand better. But we are going to be touching template part, but most of the thing we are going to be doing is from scratch, so that I can get everything also. So with this app, you can create a social media flyers and business stories and so on, presentation, videos, marketing flyers, business stuff, office, and lots more. So you see, down now you might want to try mobile video, your story like Facebook story, Instagram post, Instagram story, phone wallpaper, book cover. Yeah, these are also part of what we are going to be treating. Most of these things: flyer, poster, A4 document, video, photo collage. I believe you know that already. Infographics, logo, YouTube thumbnail, invitation cards. So the next thing now is reset design. But if you're a new user now, you will not see this recent design because you are just new to the app. But if you are not new, you see your recent design, what you just did finish. So you can, if you know that the flyer for this course, it was designed with this app, Canva. It was designed with this app. So that was the app we used to design it. So I'm going to be learning more on that. So the next thing is your project. After home now, everything here is under home. Your project is going to show your past works. That is where your projects are. Then Canva Pro, yeah. The next thing I should also tell you is this Canva is not totally free. There's the free and there's the paid version. If, with the free version, you cannot access everything on the app. You can't access all the old templates, and you can't use some effect on the app. Or with the paid, you can use everything on the app. But I'm currently using the paid version, sure. I'm using the paid version so I can use everything that comes with the app. So yeah, you see all your projects. So the network is our problem here. So just move to next. That is where you see all your projects, all your past works. So Canva Pro, I've explained that already. You have access to everything. Then your menu, your where your details is, and so on and so forth. So this is your menu bar, your name and your template, your project, your password, your invite, and so on and so forth. Yeah, and you need to know that if you delete something on this app, it goes to your trash. You can still access it back. Going to your trash can bring it back to life. So let's go back to home. Now let's go back. Now let's say you don't want to use any of this template now. Well, I want to explain some things from the app inside. Now we're going inside, we're going outer part of the app. So just click on, yeah, I want to start a project now. Click on this plus icon. Then if you have if you want to use a template, you have different things. If it's a video, you pick mobile video, your story, either pick your story or you pick Instagram story, depending. If it's Facebook story, you pick your story. If it's Instagram story, you pick Instagram story, phone wallpaper, book cover, flyer, poster, A4 documents, videos, and so on. But this now I want to explain something inside. I want to explain it in depth. So just click on a custom size. Now every project has its own size. If you want to design a business card, it has its own size. You want to design depending on how the printer wants to do the work. Almost all projects have their sizes. Almost all projects have their sizes. Okay, let me use the size for Instagram post. That is 180 by 1080 by 1080. So that's the size I'm going to be using. Although that is the size for Instagram story. So pixels, that is the unit for measurement. There are different units of measurement. We have inches, millimeter, centimeter. You can see pixel, inches, millimeter, and centimeter. Those are the four units they have on this app. There are other units you can use to that feet, but that is not on this app. So we only have 4 units on this app. Then click on create design. So wait for it to load. Now Canva auto saves this your design. Even though you not save it, save. Once you log out and come back, you meet the design the way you left it. So that's another good thing about this app. I see, I love this app so much. I don't know, I love it so much. So I love using this app for most of my designs. But sometimes I also use laptop. But for if if I don't really have time to on and operate, I just use my smartphone for my design. So wait for it to load. Now, once our page is done loading, this page is going to pop up. So the reason why it's popping up is whether you want to pick a template to use for design, or you want to pick an element. Now what I mean by element is, maybe you want to pick a shape, a line, an object, a background. You use templates. So gallery, yes, not galleries. Now I want to pick a picture. Now this gallery, it's going to show you your pictures, your videos. Then you can pick, but if your picture is down like the last picture on your gallery, you won't be fast with searching it with this Canva. So you just click on upload. Upload, you'll be fast with your search. You just click on upload media. You click on upload media. Okay, let's try it. You click on upload media. So it's going to direct you to your file manager. So you go there and pick your picture, the picture you want to use. Now under the upload again, you can also get the recent images you use for your design. You get it under your upload. In case you want to reuse it, they are all there in your upload. So I'm going to be using my gallery. I'm going to be searching through my gallery now. I'm going to be using my gallery. So you click on AI gallery. Okay, if you don't have okay, every phone with their gallery. So this is the gallery that is on my phone. So I'm going to pick one of my pictures on my gallery. I'm going to be picking one of my pictures on the gallery. So let me see. Okay, let me pick this one from download. Okay, let me use this lady with a yellow background. So wait for it to upload on this app now, on the Canva app. Wait for it to upload there. Now another thing you need to know again, the reason why I'm going to be using what happened now, the reason why that happens because that picture is not in a PNG format and it's not in a JPEG format. So that image now is not a picture format, is in a web picture format, and is not Canva can't use that kind of image. So make sure that the image you are going to be using is in a picture format. So let me pick this lady in red. So wait for it to upload. These two that you saw there, they're already on my Canva already. That's why they are there. So these are the recent pictures I use for my designs. That is why they are here. So wait for that one to upload. So as you can see, the picture is uploading. That's the first picture now. I will just click on it's uploading. So wait for it to upload finish. Once that is done, you click on the picture. Then it's going to take you back to your design page. So our image is done uploading, so you click on the image and it will take you to your the image now it will be in your on your design page. Can you see? So now this is our image. Let me reduce it. I'm going to be coming back to the image later. So this white page you are seeing here, the name of the white page is called Canvas. Canva, I not say Canva. Canva is the name of the app. This white space you are seeing that is surrounded by a purple outline is called Canvas. The reason why it has a name called Canvas is because it's our work area. So the name of the work area is called Canvas. That's the name, Canvas. Like you can see now, we have the plus sign. That's if you want to you want to pick a template, an element, a picture, a text, or a background. Also have replaced. This is to replace the background. Have color to change the background color. Let's work on that. Want to change the background color. Now another good thing about this app is that it picks a related background. There is a background that is almost relates with your picture. Like this picture now, can you see it's red and white and brownish stuff with black hair. So you see photos color, you can pick any of this that is related picture color for your background. So you pick, so you select related colors for you. So those are the one on the top. Then we have default colors, follow com colors. I call them follow com colors. I don't know, you can give it a name yourself, but I call them follow com colors. So that's how to give color to your background. The next thing is seconds. This work with video. Once we reach video side, I'm going to explain that. Then lock, if you want to unlock your background, although the lock mostly is very important with your designs. You might not necessarily lock your background, so you can just lock your designs to stop it from moving. But let's see if we can lock background too. See, it has been locked, but it's not necessary to lock background. If you lock background, you can't move the background even though it's unlocked. You can't move the background even though it's locked or it's unlocked. You can't move the background up or down. It's a picture now that you lock. But before I explain lock on, okay, let me explain everything on background before I move to the next thing. Let me see explain the many things under background. Background does not have problems, yeah. So we have more things here. So we have copy and paste. If you want to copy and paste an element, we have lock. I've explained that. If you want to delete, self-explanatory. So let's go to the picture now. Okay, let me increase the picture so I can see it very well. So this is our picture. Now this for crop, sorry, I'm not cropping the picture, so I'll cancel. Let me bring the picture to the center. So I still want to increase it. So that I can see this very well. So I'm trying to set it at the center. Okay, that's by center again. Now to set your image at the center, you can follow the grid. These purple lines. Once the thing show plus, is at the center. Can you see the plus line is at the center? So click on our image now. Now if you want to reduce or increase the size of your image, you don't what's wrong with this crop now? You don't reduce your image using this tool here. Don't reduce your image with that. These tools, don't reduce your image. Never do that. If you use that to reduce your image, that shows that you are unprofessional. You are unprofessional. These four things I circled, don't ever use them to reduce the size of an object. Don't ever use them. It will how will I put this? It will deform the image, it will deform the object. Let's try that now. Okay, let's try that. I'm taking this from up now. Let's watch. Can you see? just like crop out the image. So that is not reducing, that is just like crop it out. So it has deformed your image totally. Your image is useful. Now once you do that, okay, let me do it again. Let me reduce it again. So from one thing I'm explaining the other, just pay attention. So once you do this, let's say assume you make mistake doing this now, you want to go back. Now the thing you are going to do now to go back is so I'm trying to pick it too. The two are going to be used to do that. That is, want to go back to what you just finished doing now is this two. This undo. The name is undo. That's the name of the two, undo. These two. This one that is facing back, that's the name, undo. So you click on it, it will undo your changes. Yes, you are going back, click on it, undo. Then the other one, by the next one that is facing right, is called redo. That's it. Now to reduce your image now, you can use the menu 4 circles. That is what you use to reduce your image. Now I'm taking it from the right to the left. Now I'm going to reduce this image from right to left. Can you see? So that is how to reduce image. Don't use those for rectangle to reduce your image. Never do that. So delete your image. You can see that delete trash can at the top. That is used to delete your image. Now that one that's like after the before the trash can, that one is used to duplicate your image. Let's click on it. Duplicate your image. It's used to duplicate your image. So you click on it, your image will be two. Can you see? Your image is doubled now. Your image has turned to two image. Can you see? It's used to duplicate image now. Let's delete one of them. You click on the delete. So it has been deleted. So to work on anything now on this on your canvas now, you have to click it. If you not click it, there's nothing you can do. So if you want to work on the background, you click on the background. If you want to work on the text or a shape, you click on the text or shape. So let's move on with background. Now if you want to replace this picture, you click on replace. Now effect. Now on this Canva now, you can also remove background. That is if you are on the pro app. That if you are using the paid version, the pro version, you can remove your background with the app. But if you are not using it, I've explained how to use another app to remove background. I've explained how to use another app to remove background. So just follow the class, follow the video carefully so that you understand everything, so that you don't miss out anything. So if you're also forwarding anything, just make sure you forward with don't too forward, don't too, so that you understand everything, not be confused. Now most of these effects you have them in your phone gallery already, so that's self-explanatory. So let me start with background remover. It's used to remove background or to enhance, like you see the picture, to enhance your picture, photogenic, to change some effect, autofocus, face retouch, self-explanatory, smart mockups, to mock up your images, your files, then shadow, to add shadow to your images. Now in some of the design, the reason why I'm not going to explain this is that you might forget. So when we are doing design, we are going to be using some of this effect. Frame, you want to put your picture in a frame, your image or design in a frame. Due tone is used to change color of an image. Then later mosaic is like you can see the image, is to add like letters to your image. Used to add letters to your image. Then bad TV. I'm going to be explaining some of them. We are going to be using some of them in our designs. So color mix and so on and so forth, we have a lot of them. While some of them you can't use them on the free version. So the one I want to be using is background remover, bg remover. That's background remover. So you click on it, so it's going to load up now, so that our background of this image will be removed. So it's loading. Wow, can you see that our background has been removed using the bg remover? So it's very necessary also have the paid version of this app, because there are a lot of effects, a lot of tools that you'll be able to access with the paid version. But the free, they are just limited to some of the things. So I want our background back. I want our background back. So you click on redo. You click on redo. So these are our image with background. Now another good thing is that if you are redoing it, bring your background image with background, and it also leaves the one with without background in case if you need or you don't need it. So we'll move to the next one, filter. So some of these are also in our background effects, as you can see, to change the colors, the effects, the weather, weather, the climate, black and white, and so on and so on. So the next thing we have is adjustment, to blur your picture, to increase the saturation, the brightness, the contrast, and so on. We'll also be touching some of this when we're designing. Then the next one is cropping. You know that now, to crop out your image, to flip up and down, left and right. Animate, that one is mostly in video. Transparency, to reduce the transparency. Position, to take it back or front. Okay, let me explain this now. As you can see, our image is at the front. So if you want to take it back now, you click on backward. If you want to take it, bring it from this forward. If you want to take it to the top of your canvas, you click on top. To the left, you click on left. Okay, let's try left. Want it at the left, you click on left. You want it at the bottom, you click on bottom. You want it at the right, you click on right. So you want it at the top now. You want it at the center. So you want it at the middle. Can you see that? So that is that. So now you want it back, backward. You want it at the back of the background, you click on backward. As you want it at the back of this, and I click on backward. So that is that about positioning. So the next one we have on the list is nudge. To take it, we want to move it. You can see we're taking it left now. Can you see how it's moving? We want to take it down now. Can you see how it's moving? As we're taking it down with the arrow button. So that is that about nudge. Let's take it all back. Can you see? In case you are moving it and the thing is not stable, it's not staying where you want it to stay, can use the notch too. Then info about your pictures, or if then if you want to add link, click on link. Then you want to lock. I was saying something about locking background. So you see, you can't move this one again since you have locked it, but this one that is not locked, you can move it. Can you see? So that is that about lock. Then more of it, more. Want to see more, you can copy and paste, self-explanatory. You want to select multiple things, click on select multiple. Then we have select one, then select two. So this one now is locked, that's why. So we have to unlock it before you can select anything there. So we have selected the two, then you can decide to group them. Once you group them, you can move them together. But once you ungroup them, you can never move them together again unless you group them again. You cannot move them together. So you have ungrouped them already. So let's go back to the more. There are more things to explain there. So the next you have here is send backward. You want to send back of this one with the without background. Then you want to send it. You want to bring front forward. You click on bring forward. So you want to replace. You want to use this image now as a background. You click on replace background. Now you are using this image now as your new background. Now click on replace background. Can you see that? Can you see? Can you see something that won't blend? See this one with background, it's not blend with this one without background. See, hope you are learning something. So we don't want this now. We'll click on redo. So to go back to normal. So apply color, self-explanatory, link, lock and delete, self-explanatory. Now to save your work now, you can either click on this download button. You can use any of them. can use this, and you can decide to use this other one too. So any of them you want to use. So let's use this first one. This first one is going to automatically download your work. That is the first one. It's going to automatically download your work. So automatic download. After it load finish, it's going to download automatically. Can you see our design is not downloading? So our design is downloaded automatically. I don't want it to design, so I'll just cancel. So let me go and explain you that download button now. So that download button, you can choose to set how you want your design to be, the format you choose. You set the format you want your design to be, and the size of your design. Let's go there. So you click on download, or you click on download and it will download. So the meaning of this purchase premium simply means that if you have any premium picture or premium object you use for your design, you have to purchase. You have to buy the pro version of the app before you can download it. You know, it will download as watermark. So you click on this download now to download the work. So now you choose how you want your download to be. Now most of these things you cannot change it on the free version. You have to purchase the pro. So PNG simply means without background. You are downloading a picture without background. Can you see JPG is best for sharing. PDF, you know what PDF is now. So video and GIF. Then best for web design animation, this SVG. So I'll just use JPG. Then you can reduce the size or reduce the size. Then if you choose to save, you save. Then click on download. Then your design will start downloading. So that is that about once this download finish, it will automatically save to your gallery too. So that is that about the introductory part of our graphic design course, introduction of our app, and so that this will be the end of the video on the introduction part. So if you have any question, you can DM, you get your answer, we'll explain everything to you. So thank you very much.